That's the warthog.
Hey, Simone, you better come look. I think it's still alive. All right, what have you got here? Geez, it's a lion. Hey, Simone, it's just a little lion. Look at him. He's so cute and all alone. Booba, are you nuts? He's a lion. Lions eat animals like us. But he's so little. He's gonna get bigger. Maybe he'll be on our side. That's the dumbest thing that I have ever heard. Hey, I got it. What if he's on our side? You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea. Sorry, keeping it? Of course. Who's the brains of this outfit? My point exactly.
With this, Timon splashed some water on Simba to try and wake him up. Simba woke up to find Timon and Pumbaa staring at him.
You okay, kid?
Yeah, I guess so.
You nearly died, and he saved you. Yeah, thanks for the help. Hey, where are you going?
Nowhere.
Gee, he looks a little blue. I'd say he looks a little brownish gold. No, I mean he's sad. Oh, hey kid, what's he in here? Nothing. He's at the top of the food chain. Get it? The food chain. So, where are you from?
Doesn't matter. I can't go back.
Ah, you're an outcast. That's great. So are we. You'll fit in perfectly with us, kid. What'd you do?
Something terrible. But I don't want to talk about it. Unless you can change the past.
No, you know, kid. In times like this, my buddy Timon here says you gotta put your behind in the past. I mean, wait a minute. That's not right. Lie down before you hurt yourself. Let me explain. It's you gotta put your past behind you. Don't worry so much. Repeat after us. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. No worries. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. No, that's the phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, it's our motto.
What's a motto?
Nothing. What's the matter with you? It's the riddle to solve all your problems. That's right. Take Pumbaa here. Why, when he was a younger boy, when I was a young boy. Very nice. Thanks. He found his aroma lacked a certain appeal. He could clear the savannah after every meal. I'm a sensitive soul, though I see you with and it hurt that my brother never stood down. That's all the shame! The shame in my neck! Oh, what's in it there? And I got downhearted! How did you feel? Every time that I... Hey, Pumbaa, kids. Sorry.
Oh my God, that's good.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful